Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust VW Beetle valves. Start with the engine completely cold, ideally after sitting overnight. You'll need a few basic tools: a 13mm wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a feeler gauge. Begin by carefully removing the valve covers on both sides of the engine. This will expose the rocker arms and push rods, giving you clear access to the adjustment screws. Next, we need to find top dead center for cylinder number 1. Rotate the engine clockwise using a 19mm wrench on the crankshaft pulley. Watch the distributor rotor. It should point towards the number 1 spark plug wire. At this point, both the intake and exhaust valves for cylinder 1 should be completely closed and feel loose. Now, let's adjust the valves. The correct clearance for both intake and exhaust valves on a Volkswagen Beetle is 0.004 of an inch, or 0.10 millimeters. Insert your feeler gauge between the valve stem and the rocker arm. Loosen the 13mm lock nut, then turn the adjusting screw with a flathead screwdriver until the feeler gauge slides with a slight drag. Once the clearance is perfect, hold the adjusting screw firmly and tighten the 13mm lock nut. Double-check the clearance to ensure it hasn't changed. Repeat this entire process for the remaining 3 cylinders, following the firing order of 1, 4, 3, 2. Finally, reinstall your valve covers with fresh gaskets, ensuring a good seal to prevent any oil leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.